friends. Today I am just going to talk to you about the Prashna. People have lot of disbelief, lot of misunderstanding about Prashna, and they are fixated with certain ideas. This is Jayashree, astrologer. Today I am going to elaborate about the different types of Prashna, the benefits of seeing the Prashna which is tuned in with the modern age. Usually when you ask the people about the Prashna, they will check the sign which you have come and they will just see whether it's a fixed sign, moving sign or a dual sign. For instance, at the moment if you see the Prashna Lagna, it's Dhanus Lagna which is in the dual sign. Which means whatever question you are asking, it may happen or may not happen. But in reality, not always this type of Prashna will help you. You have to take the lordship into consideration. If you take Dhanus Lagna Lord Jupiter, it is in the second house along with the Saturn. Which means if you take that, that would be a strong indication that whatever question you have asked, the outcome or the verdict is positive. Now, in this way, if you are going to see the Prashna, you can do a full horoscope reading. For instance, we check the Lagna when you are asking the first question, or put the Lagna as you enter to take the Prashna reading. Then you take the horoscope fully and you can read for the entire horoscope like what you do when you do an astrological consultation. Since we are not going to take the signs into consideration, we take the lordship, we can see about the children, marriage, as well as work, money, whatever question you ask for, we can do it as a normal reading. But many people do not know this type of Prashna. I have done quite a few Prashna readings. The latest one being, the person had come and asked me a question. So when he was coming inside, it was Kanya Lagna. So Mars, Sun and Mercury was in the Lagna and followed by the Venus in the third house, Saturn and Jupiter in the fifth house, and Venus was with Ketu. I told him this Venus and Ketu is there, so you must be having some problems related with marriage. Yes, he had his engagement had got broken and the girl was not willing to get married to him. Then I told the person that the girl's father, I used the Bhavat Bhagnam principle and I said the girl's father will be a strong personality and things will not move that very easily with the girl's father. Initially he was not saying okay, yes and all those stuff, but later on he said yes. The girl had asked him to come and meet her father, speak, and this boy was postponing, so she broke the relationship. So like that with the entire horoscope, you can take it like, you can read it like the normal horoscope what you do, except there won't be any date of birth, time of birth of the person. Now, when you come to fix the Lagna, you can do it in multiple ways. Like I told you, you can fix as people are coming and asking you the question. Next, you can do with the Kavadi Prashnam. You can use 12 Kavadis or Conch or 108 Kavadis which will lead to Nakshatra prediction. So, you cast it and you fix the Lagna and then you can do it. We do Kavadi Prashnam which is like very very popular because we do a prayer, then we take the God's grace and we open the guidance and we do the reading. So this we usually do like after you do the ritual, we want to gauge the energy or the outcome of the ritual, then we do it. And next is like we ask the people to tell the numbers like between 1 to 12. If they tell a number, we fix the Lagna, whatever number they say, and accordingly we do the reading. It need not be Jamakol Arudam that will give you the correct prediction or that only will fix you the Lagna, because it is very very difficult to calculate and many people do not know to do the correct reading with Rajamakol. Actually, you have to be very careful, because if you don't understand the principle, your guidance is not going to come straight. And like my master always says, right is easy, easy is right. It is not that you have to sit and do lot of calculation which will help you to give the correct prediction. It might be a very simpler technique but very potent prediction. All you have to know is to have the correct understanding of the principles, what we are talking, and you have to understand and you have to use it very easily. They come inside, you put the either kavadi or you chart the horoscope, whatever lagna it comes at that point, we do the reading. So please understand, Prashna is very easy, but your principles of reading the Prashna lagna or the Prashna chart has to be strong. Then only your prediction will be correct. You simply go around in creating the lagnas or in understanding or formulating the lagnas. If you are going to have a lot of distractions or lot of difficulties in fixing the lagna, then your Prashna chart is not going to be easy and it is not going to be correct. So always remember, right is easy, easy is right. So we can do Kavadi Prashna for anyone, be it offline or online. So if you are interested, please put a message in my inbox, or you can call me in my number. The number is given below in the description. If you like the video, subscribe for the video and subscribe for the channel and share the video. Thank you.